Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of fashion and luxury. It was founded in 1964 by Bill Bowerman and Phil Knight under the name Blue Ribbon Sports. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Nike, 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 Nike. Nike is celebrated for its iconic pieces and collections that define its aesthetic. Nike offers a vast array of products, from high-performance athletic wear to casual streetwear. It's a famous brand in both fashion and sports. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Nike, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.